Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA One. My name is Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter. This is a new smart digital multimeter. This is the first time that I have this kind of multimeter. In other videos, I'm going to show you how to use the different modes that has this digital multimeter. And now, this is a unboxing about this digital multimeter. In this video, I'm going to show you what's inside this box. Let's open. Yeah. Here we have the test probe. And now here we have the digital multimeter. And here, this is the manual. This is the information about how to use this digital multimeter. I recommend that read this information before you use this digital multimeter. In this video, this is the first time we are going to use this digital multimeter. In other videos, I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter. It's the same information that is inside this manual. And now, let's put this. Now, here we have this digital multimeter. How we are watching in my hand, this digital multimeter is small. We have here a light. This is very useful for when we are, for example, measuring using this test probe for avoid mistake. And in this part, if we read, let me see here, this digital multimeter uses two batteries, kind AAA. The voltage of this battery is 1.5 volts, and the voltage type is direct current voltage. This kind of battery is the small battery, like a pencil, more or less. Now, I don't know if this digital multimeter has the batteries inside, but this is very easy to know. Only press this key, and now is on. This digital multimeter. Something that I like about this digital multimeter is this big screen. It's a screen with a side enough to watch the information. This digital multimeter has different modes. Here is where we connect the test probe. Is here. Now let's connect this to the digital multimeter. This is very easy. Open this, release this, okay. And now watch here. Input is the red test probe. Red with red, and connect this here. Okay, now introduce the black here in COM position. Perfect. Now this digital multimeter is ready to use. Other thing is take this and take this. Now it's ready. This digital multimeter has different modes. This digital multimeter has different modes. Some of these modes are direct current voltage, alternating current voltage, electrical resistance test, continuity test with sound, frequency test, capacitance test, diode test, not contact voltage, leaf, and 4,000 counts. This is the basic information about this digital multimeter. Now, in the screen, we are watching the different modes that has this digital multimeter, and the mode is auto. This means the digital multimeter chooses the mode when we connect this test probe to anything. For example, if I connect this to a battery, for example, automatically this digital multimeter will choose direct current voltage and start to measure the voltage of this battery. This is one thing that makes very easy to use this digital multimeter. Now I'm going to show you, for example, this screen has inside light. If I press here, the light on the screen is on, like we are watching now. If I press again this key, the light is off. If I press on, if I keep pressing this key, turn on the real light, like we are watching now. This light is very useful for when we want to test or measure something. We are watching on the screen with the light and to watching what we are doing with this test probe. Now, to turn off the light, the real light, keep pressing this key. And now, a short press this key. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe in our channel, Sosa NASA 1 in English, and share this video. Give me a like. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.